Hey everyone, the iPhone SE 4 is set to start mass production in December 2024, with a potential launch in early 2025. But hold on, before you get too excited, there's one area where the SE 4 might fall short: charging speed. According to the report, the iPhone SE 4 could be a bit of a letdown when it comes to powering up, as it's expected to support just 20-watt charging, and in 2025, that's pretty slow. So, let's talk about what this means. The SE 4 is expected to pack a 3,279 mAh battery, similar to the iPhone 14. That sounds good, right? But here's the catch: it could take over an hour to fully charge. Compare that to the iPhone SE 3, which has a smaller 2,500 mAh battery that can hit 50% charge in 30 minutes with a 20-watt adapter. With a bigger battery in the SE 4, that charging time's only going to stretch out further. In fact, early estimates suggest the SE 4 will only charge about 36% in 30 minutes. That's a noticeable slowdown compared to its predecessor. Design-wise, the SE 4 is expected to mirror the iPhone 14, with a few tweaks for Apple's latest features like Apple Intelligence. But in terms of charging, it's likely to stick with that same 20-watt speed, something Apple still considers fast. Now, you might be asking, could Apple boost the charging speed? Looking at their approach with the iPad mini 7, it's not looking likely. The Mini 7 sticks to the same 20-watt charging as the previous model, focusing more on performance upgrades. Even the iPhone 14 Pro Max, with its peak 27-watt charging, still takes around an hour for a full charge, which makes a bump to 30-watt charging in the SE 4 seem unlikely. The real star of the SE 4 might be its internal upgrades, with rumors pointing to the A17 Pro or A18 chip, 8GB of RAM, and the addition of Apple Intelligence. These features will certainly elevate performance, but Apple's history suggests they don't prioritize faster charging to match the growing demands of AI-powered apps. In a world where fast charging is becoming the normal, a 20-watt speed feels behind the curve. So, what do you think? Is 20-watt charging still acceptable for 2025, or should Apple step up its game? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more update. Catch you in the next video. Peace out.